Welcome back to Upcoming Auto Reviews. Today, we dive into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda CB350, a machine that blends vintage charm with modern engineering. The CB350 has always been Honda's answer to the retro-modern motorcycle trend, and this latest version raises the bar even higher with refined features, enhanced comfort, and upgraded performance, making it a serious contender in the mid-range classic bike segment. Design and styling, timeless meets contemporary. The 2025 CB350 carries forward its old-school design ethos with round LED headlamps, chrome accents, and a sculpted tank that harks back to the golden age of motorcycling. However, Honda adds subtle modern touches, including a digital analog instrument cluster and sleek turn signals, that make it feel fresh and premium. Available in new dual-tone paint schemes, this bike is designed to turn heads while preserving its retro identity. Performance and ride quality, refined for the road. Under the tank lies a 348.36 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing 21 horsepower and 29 newton-meters of torque. While the numbers may not scream power, the real-world performance is smooth and engaging. Honda has worked on refining throttle response and vibration damping, making long rides more enjoyable. The 5-speed gearbox offers slick shifts, and the slipper clutch adds to the overall ease of use. With a curb weight of around 181 kilograms, the CB350 remains agile yet stable. Technology and features, modern comforts. For 2025, Honda has equipped the CB350 with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, voice command support, and USB charging. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, now comes standard, along with dual-channel ABS and a side-stand engine cutoff for added safety. The suspension setup, telescopic forks up front and dual rear shocks, has been retuned for a more plush ride, even on rougher terrain. Verdict: the classic choice refined. The 2025 Honda CB350 is not just a retro motorcycle. It's a well-rounded, feature-rich commuter with soul. With a refined engine, handsome styling, and segment-leading features, it confidently positions itself against rivals like the Royal Enfield Classic 350 and Jawa 42. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a stylish city cruiser, the new CB350 offers a perfect blend of nostalgia and reliability.